Ever pondered if your current messaging and networking apps truly cater to all your needs? Do they offer you the freedom to connect, share, and network at your own convenience with a global yet local reach? Welcome to the world of Netclan Explorer, a secure, cross-platform instant messaging and audio-video calling app that goes beyond the conventional. Free to use, Netclan Explorer is not just an app, it's a networking revolution. Netclan Explorer's standout feature is its ability to connect unconnected users within a user-selected hyperlocal radius. No matter where on the globe you are, you can broadcast your profile securely, controlling your visibility as per your preferred privacy mode. But it's not just about personal networking. If you're a professional, a business, or a merchant, you can create an elaborate free profile page complete with a media gallery and special offers. You can edit this directly from the app, promoting your business and instant deals to users in your vicinity. Or Netclan Explorer also supports audio-video media, content, location, and file sharing, making it a comprehensive tool for all your communication needs. But wait, there's more. Netclan Explorer also hosts a suite of services. Looking for a job or a life partner? Check out the job listings and matrimony services. Want to buy, sell, or rent something? You can do it here. Need to exchange business cards or join communities and groups? Netclan Explorer has got you covered. The app even has a feature for creating and sharing notes. Netclan Explorer is not just an app. It's a next-gen, powerful social networking tool designed to cater to your diverse needs all in one place. So, why wait? Experience the revolution. Download Netclan now and start calling and networking and make the world your neighborhood.